Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do an unboxing video with these mini McDonald's Happy Meals. I just went to McDonald's and I got these. Let's do number one. Okay, they open just like a little McDonald's Happy Meal. Okay. Feel. Oh, it's a little McDonald's sign. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. Literally, it has McDonald's and then like. Okay, now next we have this one. Same thing, opens just like a regular Happy Meal. Oh my god, it's the booth. Inside of every box will be like a little checklist. I got the booth, and the sign. Thanks for watching. Bye. Then also inside of every box will be like little stickers, and since this is the sign, the words go on this, so I got little word stickers. Then with the booth you get little like foods, like food stickers like that. So cute. I really recommend.